Hello grade 8. In this video we will start to solve the revision of quarter 4. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the figure. Okay, as shown, the figure is rectangle and its perimeter, the perimeter of any rectangle equal length plus width times 2. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2. Okay, from the figure the length is 36.5 plus the width is 28 times 2 equal 129. The perimeter of the figure is 129, number D. Okay, the answer number D. Okay. Question number 2. The cylindrical gauge ocean tank at the New England Aquarium in Boston is 24 feet deep and has a radius of 18.8 feet. Find the volume of the tank. Use the approximate of value of pi, that is 3.14, and round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, the shape of the tank is cylinder, so the volume of cylinder is the volume of cylinder equal area of the base times height. The shape of base in a cylinder is circle, so the area of the base pi r square. Pi is constant, its value from the given 3.14. Pi r square, okay, times height. Okay, pi is constant, its value 3.14 times pi r from the given radius has a radius of 18.8 to the power 2 times height. Height is 24 feet deep. This is the height. Okay, 24. Okay, we can solve this. We know that square mean 18.8 times 18.8. Repeat 18.8 twice. Okay, so the answer will be 26,635.2 feet cube. The unit of the volume is cube, unit cube, feet cube. Okay, from our answer, the true value is number D. Okay, so the answer is number D. Number 3, find the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter means the summation of all side lengths. Okay, so from the figure, any perimeter equal summation of all side lengths. We have four side lengths. First side length 13.5 plus 15 plus 24 plus 18.5. Using calculation, okay, The answer will equal 71 centimeter. Okay. The answer number D. Find the find the missing measurements for the trapezoid with perimeter 105 inch. Okay, From the previous, previous question, we know that the perimeter of trapezoid equals the summation of all side lengths. Okay, but the perimeter is given, so 105 equal 33 plus 20 plus 9 plus x. Okay, we need to find the value of x. So we get 33 plus 20 plus 9 equal 62. 105 equal 62 plus x. Okay, simple equation. We need to get the value of x, so we subtract 62 from both sides. Okay, 105 or 100 subtract 105 minus 62 from this side, and subtract 62 from the other side to get the value of x. 105 minus 62 equal 43. 62 minus 62 equals 0, so x equal 43. Okay, the simple equation of one variable, so x equal 43, number G. Okay, so the answer number G. Find the area of trapezoid in which P1 equals 7. P1 refers to first base. Any trapezoid has two bases. This is first base, second base. Okay. B2 equal 12. P2 refers to second base, and H equal 5. H refers to the height. We know that the area of the trapezoid, okay, area of trapezoid equal the average of two bases, or P1 plus P2 over 2 times height. Okay, first base equals 7 plus 12 over 2 times height equal 5. 7 plus 12 equal 19, divided by 2 equal 19 over 2 times 5 equal 47. The answer equal 47.5. Okay. Okay, as shown in figure. Okay, as trapezoid has two bases, first base 7, second base 12, and height 5. By using the rule of the area of trapezoid, area equal the average between two bases, or 7 plus 12 over 2 times the height or times 5. Okay, equal 47.5. 47.5. The answer number A. Okay, the answer number A. Okay. Number 6, find circumference of a circle with radius 10.2 both in terms of pi and the nearest tens using 3.14. Okay. Circumference of any circle equal 2 pi r, 2 times pi times r. Okay. Okay. Radius is 10. Circumference equal 2 times pi. Okay, pi is constant times r. R is 10.2. Okay, 2 times 10.2 equal 20.4. 20.4 equals 20.4 pi. Okay. So the circumference of the circle, okay, in terms of pi equal 20.4. By substituting pi with 3.14, we can get the answer 64 to the nearest tenth 0.1. Okay, so the answer will be number C. In terms of pi, 20.4 pi, 20.4 pi. By substitute pi with 3.14, the answer will 64.1 feet. Okay, the answer number C. Okay, the answer number C. Number 7, find the circumference of a circle with diameter 9 meter, both in terms of pi and to the nearest tenth. Okay, the same. We know that circumference of the circle equal 2 pi r, or 2 pi, we know that 2r equal diameter. Okay, here the given is diameter, so we will use the other rule of circumference diameter times pi. Okay, diameter equal 2r, the same rule. Diameter here is 9 pi. Okay, in terms the circumference of a circle 9 pi in terms of pi is 9 pi. Okay, by substituting pi with 3.14, ultimately circumference equal 28.3 meter. Okay, so number A, circumference equal 9 pi. Okay, the first required in terms of pi, so C equal 9 pi. By substituting pi with 3.14, we get 28.3. So the answer number A. Okay, The answer number A. Number 8, find the area of a circle with diameter 31.6 both in terms of pi and to the nearest tens. Okay, we know that the area of the circle equal pi r squared. So we need to get the value of radius. We know that radius equal diameter over 2 or half diameter. Okay, here diameter equal 31.6 divided by 2, so the radius equal 15.8, okay, centimeter. And the area of the circle equal pi r square, pi r square. The area equal pi times r equal, we get the value of r 15.8 square. We know that square mean we repeat 15.8 twice, 15.8 times 15.8, okay, equal 249 in terms of pi. Then we get substitute the value of pi, we get 15.8 square equal 249.64 pi. Okay, then substitute the value 249.64 times, substitute pi with 3.14, we obtain the value of the area equal 783.9 centimeter square. The unit of the area, centimeter square or meter square or feet square. Okay, so the answer will be number A. Area equal 249.64 by 249.64 by centimeter square. After substituting by 3.14, we get the value of the area 783.8 centimeters. So the area, the true value number A. Okay. Classify the three-dimensional figure. This figure is prism. Okay, this figure is prism, not pyramid. Okay, pyramid has only one vertex. Sorry, the prism has two bases. Okay, but pyramid has only one base, so this figure is not pyramid. Okay, because it has two bases. Okay, triangular prism or rectangular prism. We look at to the base. If the base is rectangle, okay, or triangle. From the figure to the bases, the two bases are triangle. So this is a rectangular prism. Okay, sorry, triangular prism. Sorry, the figure is triangular prism. Classify the three-dimensional figure the same. The figure is prism, not pyramid, because prism has two bases, but pyramid has only one base. Okay. Okay. From bases, the base has 6 sides. Okay, 6 sides. So this prism is hexagon prism. Hexagon prism. Hexagon. Find the volume of triangular prism. Round your answer to the nearest tens. Okay. The volume of triangular prism like the volume of cylinder. We know that the volume of cylinder equal area of the base times height. The same. Volume of prism equal area of base times height. But here the base is triangle, so the area of the base equal half equal the area of triangle. The area of triangle equal half base times height. From the figure, the base of triangle is 7 and the height of triangle is 7. So the area of base equal half base 7 times height of the triangle times height of the prism. The height of prism is 15.5. The height of the prism is 15.5. Okay. 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 The area of triangle half 7 times 7 equal 24.5. Okay. Times the height of the prism equal 15.5 equal the volume of the prism equal 379.8 centimeter cube. Okay, so the answer number B. The answer number B. Number 12, find the volume of the figure. The figure consists of two shapes. The first shape is prism, triangular prism. The second shape is cuboid. Okay, so we have two volumes. We will find two volumes. The volume of the prism and the volume of cuboid. Okay, let's start. You know that the volume of the prism equal base area of base times height. The base here, okay, triangle, the base is triangle, so the area of triangle half base times height. Height equals 16 and base equal this cuboid, so this side equals this side. So the base of triangle equal 18. Half base of the triangle is 18 times height of the triangle is 16 times the height of the prism. The height of the prism, this distance or this distance equal this side equal this side, or 13. Okay. Half times 18 times 16 times 13 equal 1,872 feet cube. Okay. The first volume, the first figure shape. The second shape is cuboid. Volume of cuboid equal length times width times height. Length times width times height. Length times width times height equal length equal 18 times width is 13 times height is 21. 18 times 13 times 21 equal 4,914 feet cube. The total volume of the figure equal V total equal volume of prism plus volume of cuboid. So total volume equal 1,872 plus 4,914. Okay. Okay, the answer will be 6,786 feet cube. The answer number A. Okay, so the total volume is number A. Number 13, find the volume of the figure. Use 3.14 4 by if necessary, and your answer to the nearest tens. Okay. The volume of the cone equal third 1/3 third times base times height. Base refers to the area of the base. Area of the base or the area of the circle, because the base is circle, equal pi r square. R from the figure R equal 8.5. So 1/3 times area of the base pi r square, R equal 8.5 square times height of the cone equal 18. Okay, by substitute 1/3 times pi equal 3.14 times 8.5 square, or 8.5 times 8.5 times 18. So the volume equal 1,361.2 feet cube. Okay, so the answer number B. The answer number B. Okay, find the volume of cylinder. Use 3.14 4 pi, round your answer. Okay, as shown in figure, we know we know that the volume of cylinder equal base area of base times height of the cylinder. Area of base equal pi r square. From the figure r equal 8, 8 squared equals 64. 8 times 8 equals 64. Times the height of the cylinder is 7. By substituting pi with 3.14 times 64 times 7, we get the volume of the cylinder is 1406.7 centimeter cube. Okay, so the answer number A. The answer is number A. Number 15. Find the volume of a sphere, both in terms of pi and a decimal. Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to the nearest tens. Okay. Volume of the sphere equal, okay, the formula of the volume of the sphere equal 4/3 pi r cube. Again, 4/3 pi r cube. What's the meaning of r cube? R times r times r, 3 times. Okay. Okay. Pi third, 4/3, okay, times pi in terms of pi. First we get the volume in terms of pi times r. From the figures, the diameter is 8. Okay, we know that the radius is half diameter, so radius equal 4 times 4 times 4, refer to r cube. Okay, r cube mean r times r times r. Okay, r times r times r times 4/3 equal 85.3 pi. 85.3 pi. Okay, by substitute by 85.3, substitute by 3.14, okay, we get 267.9 centimeter cube. Okay, then the volume of sphere in terms of pi is 85.3 pi. Okay, after substituting pi with 3.14, the volume is 267 point. So the volume is, the true answer is number B. Okay, the true answer is number B. Okay, thank you, grade 8.